So this is the first test with the actual solar panel, which is over there, and we're getting exactly let me show. We're getting exactly 7 volts, and the batteries are getting exactly 4.48 volts, and I know we were supposed to get 5 right after the voltage regulator. We're getting less because the minimum input we want from the solar panels is supposed to be 8.3 volts, and that will give you the 5 volts that we need. This is good enough to keep it running for a while, as you can see. The whole circuit works fine, and okay, that's it.